Did you know that you could supercharge your immune system to ward off viruses and bacteria? While you may have heard of the benefits of vitamin C and healthy diet, there are many other surprisingly effective yet accessible strategies that can boost your immune response dramatically. I really do not recall the last time I fell ill, and I'm excited to reveal all the strategies I follow so you can enjoy a healthier life too. Hey everyone, if you are new to this channel, welcome aboard. Here at Ice Mind Body, our mission is to construct the most extensive and informative video library on health and mind, and also explore the benefits of cold exposure and cold therapy. Our goal is to empower our audience to advance in their health journey. First, let's begin with an overview of how the immune system functions, so you can grasp the precise target we aim to enhance. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs in the human body that works together to defend the body against foreign invaders, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other pathogens. Its primary function is to recognize and eliminate these harmful substances, while also distinguishing them from the body's own healthy cells and tissues. The immune system can be divided into two main components. First, innate immunity. This is the first line of defense against pathogens and provides immediate but general protection. It includes physical barriers like the skin and mucous membranes, and as well as white blood cells such as neutrophils that can quickly respond to infections. The second is adaptive immunity, also known as acquired or specific immunity. This component takes some time to develop, but provides a highly targeted and long-lasting defense. It involves specialized white blood cells called lymphocytes, including B cells and T cells. B cells produce antibodies that can recognize and neutralize specific pathogens, while T cells help coordinate immune response and can directly destroy infected cells. The immune system's ability to remember past infections is a crucial aspect of adaptive immunity. After encountering a pathogen, the immune system can create memory cells that remember the invader. This memory allows the immune system to mount a faster and more efficient response if the same pathogen enters the body again in the future. That is why when you have a vaccine or catch a certain flu, you're immune for a while. Now let's dive into strategies for strengthening our immune system, starting with the cornerstone of our channel, cold exposure and cold therapy. You have probably heard the saying, a cold shower a day keeps the doctor away. Let's determine if this phrase holds any truth. First, the stress response. When you subject yourself to cold shower or an ice bath, it triggers the body's stress response, leading to the release of stress hormones such as adrenaline. These hormones can temporarily boost immune function by mobilizing immune cells. However, it's important to emphasize the word temporary. Taking a cold shower on a Sunday won't make you immune to everything for the rest of the week. Yet, incorporating cold exposure into your daily or regular routine can significantly fortify your immune system. Next is anti-inflammatory effects. In earlier videos, we extensively discussed how cold exposure yields anti-inflammatory effects, indirectly bolstering the immune system. Cold therapy has the potential to reduce inflammation in the body, and since chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, this can be a valuable asset in supporting overall immune health. Inflammation is a natural part of immune response and is essential for fighting infections and healing injuries. However, excessive or chronic inflammation can be harmful and contribute to various diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects help regulate and dampen excessive inflammation, promoting a balanced immune response. Some immune cells, such as T regulatory cells, play a role in resolving inflammation and preventing an excessive immune response. Anti-inflammatory signals can help these cells function optimally. As I mentioned earlier, for a stronger immune response, the body often relies on the memory of past infections. Anti-inflammatory processes can help maintain this immune memory by preserving the function of memory cells such as memory B cells and memory T cells. Before we continue, if you're as passionate as I am about cold exposure, hit that like and subscribe button. This is a new channel and I'm committed to building the most comprehensive library on cold exposure and cold therapy, where I will be sharing all my knowledge and experience. Another impact of cold therapy is increasing white blood cell counts. Cold exposure can lead to an increase in production of certain white blood cells, particularly neutrophils. Neutrophils are a type of white blood cells involved in the initial response to infections. This process is called hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis is a process by which blood cells, including white blood cells, are produced in the bone marrow. Cold exposure can stimulate the bone marrow to produce more white blood cells, including neutrophils. This partly is due to the stress response triggered by cold, which can increase the release of certain hormones and signaling molecules that stimulate hematopoiesis. Cold exposure also stimulates blood circulation, which can then enhance the delivery of immune cells and nutrients to various tissues, potentially aiding the immune response. If you're new to cold exposure and want more in-depth info on various types of cold exposure and practices, feel free to explore our other videos later. However, in summary, the water should be cold enough to give you an initial shock, making you want to jump out instantly, but then you hold for a minute or two, gradually increasing the duration as you get used to it. Later, if you're keen in advancing with cold therapy, you can move into using an ice bath or cold plunge. I will leave a link in the description for our ultimate guide to cold exposure. Now let's look at everything else that strengthens our immune system. Eating a balanced diet. Consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. As a well-balanced diet provides essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals necessary for immune function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and is found in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. It plays an important role in supporting immune cells. Adequate levels of vitamin D are important for immune health. You can get it from sunlight exposure, and food like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and supplements. Most people these days lack sufficient vitamin D. Therefore, it is advisable to take additional supplements. Zinc also is crucial for immune function. Sources include nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Probiotics. These beneficial bacteria found in yogurt and fermented foods can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is linked to immune health. Remember, your gut and your microbiome community are really the first line of defense against any threat. Physical activity can improve circulation, help immune cells move through the body, and reduce inflammation. Aim for at least 2.5 hours of moderate intensity exercise per week. Quality sleep is vital for immune function and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to repair and regenerate. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system. Practices like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can really help reduce stress. Staying well hydrated is essential for overall health, including the immune system. Water helps transport nutrients and remove waste products from the body. Excessive alcohol consumption can weaken the immune system, so limit your intake. Smoking also impairs immune function and should be completely avoided. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can impact immune function negatively. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise can support your immune system. Limit your sugar and processed foods. High sugar and processed food intake will suppress the immune system. Reducing these in your diet can be very beneficial. So there you have it. Knowledge about your immune system and how to enhance it is a powerful tool in your pursuit of better health. Remember, your immune system is a dynamic and adaptable defender, and with the right strategies, you can empower it to stand guard more effectively. Whether it's taking those energizing cold showers, maintaining a healthy and balanced diet, reaching essential nutrients, or staying active, each step you take contributes to a stronger, more resilient immune response. If you're intrigued by cold therapy, check out our other videos here. And don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel for more content. As always, if you have any question or if there is any specific topic you would like us to cover in the future, please let me know in the comments below. And until next time, stay cool, strong, and healthy.